Getting a little bit of snowmageddon here. This don't happen here in North Georgia, but it's happening today. Might be stuck at work for a little while. Fast forward 2 hours. Got about 4 inches of snow. This ain't nothing for me, being from upstate New York, but this is North Georgia. We don't do this. I don't know if you can see you can't even see that road behind me there. People are having trouble getting up the hill. Well, here's the aftermath. I ain't never seen this garden under snow before. Alright, we ended up getting about 5 inches of snow. So that ain't too bad. Alright, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Thanks for watching.